Fred Flea. One night, Fred Flea ate cream and green beans. "After you eat," said Mom Flea, "please clean your feet." "But I want to eat green beef," Fred Flea pleaded. Dad Flea looked steamed. "No, it's time to sleep." So Fred Flea cleaned his feet. He felt weak and sleepy. "Can you read a book to me?" he asked Mom Flea. "Yes, Sweet Pea. Let's read about the Jeep," she said. In the book, the Jeep hit a tree. So it had a leak. And the creaky wheel had lots of steam and heat. But the coffee with cream in the Jeep need not be cleaned. "I feel so happy," said Fred Flea. So he went
beep, beep.
Then Fred Flea fell asleep and had a silly dream about wheat seeds that became green trees.